Integration errors on Mega.nz can be frustrating, but they can often be resolved with a few simple steps. Follow this guide to troubleshoot and fix these issues quickly. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and working properly. A weak or intermittent connection can cause integration errors. Try restarting your router or switching to a different network if possible. Step 2. Update your browser or app. Make sure you are using the latest version of your web browser or the Mega.nz app. Outdated software can lead to compatibility issues. Check for updates and install them if available. Step 3. Clear cache and cookies. Clearing your browser's cache and cookies can help resolve integration errors. Go to your browser settings, find the option to clear browsing data, and select cache and cookies. Restart your browser afterward. Step 4. Disable browser extensions. Some browser extensions can interfere with Mega.nz's functionality. Temporarily disable any extensions, especially ad blockers or privacy tools, to see if the integration error persists. Step 5. Contact Mega.nz support. If the issue continues after trying the above steps, reach out to Mega.nz support for assistance. Provide them with details about the error and the steps you've already taken to help them diagnose the problem. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve integration errors on Mega.nz quickly. If problems persist, don't hesitate to seek further assistance from the support team.